Hey everybody, Dr. Heather here checking in for weeks 3 and 4 for the ecofeminism class. Just wanted to give you an overview of what you're going to be doing this week or these 2 weeks. So these weeks you have the entire book of Silent Spring to read, and then also to watch a PBS video, I think it is, which is about Silent Spring. And it's a look at the United States before the invention of the creation of the Environmental Protection Agency, which, by the way, the current administration is trying to dismantle. So it will give you an idea of how bad pollution was before we put these laws in play, and where they could possibly go if the EPA is actually dismantled. There's also another short video for you to watch about systemic alternatives to systems that are already in play. Got a couple of discussion board posts, questions to answer under discussion board questions 2. And then most importantly, you have a 1-paragraph summary of your eco goal and your action plan, which are due. And by that, I mean, how are you going to get there? So you can certainly build on top of your garbage savings. So if you found something in that you thought was interesting, you can go ahead and build on top of that. If you want to do something completely different, like trying to walk more, or changing out light bulbs, or not purchasing as many things, or not using plastic bags, but rather taking your own with you when you go shopping, you can go ahead and do that as well. What's really important is that you think about how you're going to get from point A to point B. So if, for example, you want to reduce the amount of water bottles, for example, that you are consuming, so plastic water bottles, tell me how you think you're going to do that. So do you have a reusable water bottle that you can use at home right now? Are you going to have to purchase one? And then think too about how you're going to evaluate all of this, right? So part of the way in which you can measure whether or not you're successful is not only by tracking things down, but by looking at the cost savings of it as well. So really kind of think through this, put them down in writing, and then once I've looked over them, I will respond to them and give you then some feedback on how to keep track of those. So so far, so good. I hope everybody's having an interesting first couple of weeks of the semester, and we're well into way to weeks 3 and 4. So I hope you're learning a lot, and I'll check in and get to you again soon. Bye.